Benvinguts a l'Esport Zone, temporada d'hivern. Per aquesta edició ens hem dirigit a la Savoia francesa, on us hem escollit dues de les estacions més interessants i més grans d'Europa, la Plany i els Tres Valls. A partir d'aquí us ensenyem tot allò que podeu fer aquí i què heu de fer per poder disfrutar i moltíssim. Així que ja ho sabeu, disfruteu de la neu.
I said, what's up with this weather? Don't know whether or not how sad I just got was on my own volition, or if I'm just missing the sun. And tomorrow I know will be rainy at best, and the forecast I know is that I'll be depressed, but I'll wait outside, hoping that I'll catch sight of the sun. Because on and off the clouds have fought don't wake up to the sun. And this week the trend up till 3 p.m. I picked a few conscious hours that I chose to spend and slept away the rest of them. And this week the trend was to crash and burn, and then we turn again to practice the life that I pretend provides enough to get me through the weekend. So today, give me a solution and watch me run with it. Then you gave me a solution. What have I done with it? I was absolutely sure I had it all figured out way back then. And now it's this minute, this hour, this day, and this week the trend was to backstab every single one of my friends and leave a voicemail message trying to make amends, all the while hoping things work out in the end. Was to borrow all the strength that you could lend to keep my head above the water and not descend back to where I said I'd never go again. So I said